Hello everyone, my name is Hassan Ali and I am going to represent my project Climate Twin AI which I have built for this hackathon Future Hacks. Basically, Climate Twin AI is an AI provided climate simulations for a sustainable tomorrow. Our motto is see the future, plan today, save generations. Basically, you heard the news that what is going on in Europe nowadays. Europe is facing a climate emergency and Europe is warming trucks faster than the global average. Record breaking heat waves, extreme weather surges, rising temperature, health and economy at risk. This is all due to climate change. And to solve this problem, I made a solution, which is Climate Twin AI. Basically, it is an AI provided simulations, what if scenarios, smart insights, visual and interactive. How Climate Twin AI works? It reads climate data, your actions, AI simulation engine, and predict future. Understand today, simulate tomorrow, act for a better future. And now, if we are moving toward the GitHub, this is the whole code base for Climate Twin AI. This is a README file where a user can understand what is Climate Twin AI, why and how we have to use this Climate Twin AI. These all are features and tech stack which I have used to build this interactive and problem solving platform. Now it's time to jump into our platform. So this is the landing page of our platform Climate Twin AI, and our motto is understand tomorrow's climate today. So this is the whole landing page, and you can read what features I have provided in this platform for researchers that have interested to research on climate change using AI. So it's time to start. Now this is the area where we have to provide our input, create scenarios and predict future. For example, these are building scenarios. First we have to try with these demo scenarios. For example, green recovery, nature first approach. This is scenario name. Location is set United States and our city is New York, and we want to predict 2035. If now click on next button, and these are our values that we have set today and make prediction, and we can make prediction of future. Like if tree planting and reforestation, then we can set is the value is 20%. This value set to 20%. This EV, the world is moving towards electric vehicles instead of petrol engines. And if we set this value is 60%, and this is public transport is 40%, and water water preservation is 70%. Now we can select next button, and this is the values that we have select. And now it's time to generate report, run simulation, and this is the result. If we can move with the values that we have selected, then the result is temperature is increased 0.28% degrees Celsius, carbon dioxide decreases to 67%, and forest cover is 35%. And these are all results that we have generated on the basis of data that we provide now. And these are the assumptions that the values of temperature in 2035 is plus 0.28% according to now temperature. These are graphs, so you can easily understand what is going on in next years. So, and these are our recommendations that our system gives to our users, like executive summary: climate simulation for New York, United States over 11 years shows a warming threat of 0.28 degrees Celsius with 6 active policies. The scenario targets 2035 with measurable impact. And this is model confidence, means our model provides 95% correct answers. Interactive dashboard, and we can compare different values for research purposes and to understand if we do something today, then what is the impact of this thing tomorrow. In this is all from my side, and if I summarize my whole discussion in two to three lines, it is basically Climate Twin AI is an AI provided prediction system. It works on your inputs, like you can provide input and it make prediction on future. And our motto is what you are doing today, how your dealings with people, with society, with ecosystem affect the future of incoming generations. Thank you. This is all from my side, and take care.